The next assignment instructions are for the STCC graduation labels, so you'll use the exact same address labels from the database that you already saved. So go to a blank document in Word, choose Mailings, Start Mail Merge, and choose Labels. And it should be on the one that you just did, so that's perfect, 5160, and OK. And then let's go get, because right now everything's faded out, so we have to go get our existing list and make sure you select the same one. And it's the Access Graduation Database. And again, you have all next records. What do you want here is the address block. That's perfect. Click OK. And then what I'm going to do for this one, just so that you don't get that extra spacing, I'm going to go to the Home tab and choose Paragraph. Select note 0 before and 0 after, and then you can change it to single space, and OK. Now go ahead and do the next record. So mailings are update labels so that they're all fixed. And if you want to go into the edit recipient list and just put it in alphabetic order by last name, not first name, last name, then by first name, and OK, and OK. And finish and merge. So they're just tighter than the previous labels, but they're same. There's more of them. There's 23 of them. And you would print that and peel them off and put them on the envelopes, and you're done. That's a save and submit.